The future of technology holds immense potential for advancements in artificial intelligence, AI, and robotics. Here are some key trends and possibilities. 1. AI-powered automation. AI and robotics will continue to automate repetitive tasks across industries, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. Advanced machine learning algorithms will enable machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This automation will free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. 2. Human-robot collaboration. The future will see closer collaboration between humans and robots. Robots will be designed to work alongside humans, assisting them in tasks that require physical strength, precision, or repetitive actions. This collaboration will enhance productivity and enable humans and robots to complement each other's strengths. 3. Enhanced personalization. AI will play a crucial role in delivering personalized experiences in various domains. From personalized healthcare treatments to tailored educational content, AI algorithms will analyze vast amounts of data to provide customized solutions that meet individual needs and preferences. 4. Autonomous vehicles and transportation. The future will witness significant advancements in autonomous vehicles and transportation systems. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones will become more common, offering benefits such as improved road safety, reduced traffic congestion, and increased efficiency in logistics and delivery. 5. Healthcare robotics. Robotics will have a substantial impact on healthcare. Robots will assist in surgeries, perform repetitive tasks in hospitals, and provide support in elderly care and rehabilitation. AI-powered systems will analyze medical data to aid in disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. 6. Robotics in hazardous environments. Robots will be increasingly deployed in hazardous environments, such as disaster zones, nuclear plants, and space exploration. These robots will be designed to handle dangerous tasks, including search and rescue operations, exploration of extreme environments, and maintenance of critical infrastructure. 7. Ethical considerations. As AI and robotics advance, ethical considerations will become increasingly important. Discussions on topics like job displacement, privacy, safety, bias, and accountability will shape the development and deployment of AI in robotic systems. Ensuring ethical practices and incorporating human values into technology will be crucial. 8. Social and service robots. Robots will play a more significant role in providing social interaction and assistance. Social robots will assist in customer service, education, and companionship for the elderly and individuals with special needs. These robots will be designed to understand and respond to human emotions, enhancing human-machine interactions. 9. AI and decision-making. AI algorithms will continue to evolve and become more sophisticated in making complex decisions. Machine learning models will be utilized in areas such as finance, cybersecurity, and strategic planning to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide valuable insights to support decision-making processes. 10. Collaborative AI. The future will bring advancements in collaborative AI systems, where multiple AI agents work together to solve complex problems. This can lead to breakthroughs in scientific research, engineering, and problem-solving domains, as AI systems pool their knowledge and expertise. While these trends provide a glimpse into the future of AI and robotics, it's important to remember that the pace of technological advancement and adoption may vary across industries and regions. Ethical considerations, regulation, and societal acceptance will also play significant roles in shaping the future of AI and robotics.